Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Whenever I go to the autocross events, I try to find a couple of cars in the parking lot that are worth taking some video of and show you guys and gals. And I'm here all day today and tomorrow because my club is the club that's putting on this event. And anyway, I've got two Corvettes here. And before you say that's not a Corvette, that is a 1996 Grand Sport LT4 engine Corvette without a body. And we were talking about it. The owner's not here right now, but that's the LT4 motor. We're thinking it probably got rear-ended, and the front is very good, and the rear end he probably repaired and decided to put a roll cage on it, and it's street legal. I think it's got plates on it. Yeah, it's got plates on it, and it's a 96. So there you go. The other car is a 1973 Corvette that my friend owns, and if you like it, it's got about 80,000 miles on it. It's very original. Matching numbers, and it's actually, you say the paint's not original, but this car was a paint delete car from the factory, which means you can paint it any color you want to paint it and call it original. But if there's anybody serious about it, send me an email and or post on the channel. I can put you in contact with my buddy who wants to sell it. So those two I thought were very nice today. See you later, guys and gals. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Here you go. One more that is video worthy. And I don't know my different years on Porsche very well, but this is a nice looking one. Actually, on another parking lot in the stadium, the Porsche Club is having their own autocross event today. There you go.